Good morning, student. Dear student, in previous class we have solved the exercise 10b. Now in this class we will solve the exercise 10c, which is related to the sale tax and value added tax. What is the sale tax? Sale tax is the extra charge. Sale tax is a charge by the shopkeeper from the customer on selling price of an article, of an item, and it is added on the price. It is added to the value of the item, value of the things, a value of the bill. So sale tax is the extra charge which is added in the value of item. Okay, and one more thing, value added tax, that is VAT. This the price of the article included the tax. This price is also included the tax called VAT. Different item can VAT different. It is also add in the value of the item. So sale tax and VAT, that is the extra charge which will be add in the cost price or sale price in the item or in the things. Okay, so now in this class we will solve the question which is related to the sale tax and value added tax, which is given in the exercise 10c. So let us start from the exercise 10c. The list of question number 1, the list price of a refrigerator is, that is list price is it of refrigerator is rupees 14,650. If 6% is charged as a sale tax, find the cost of the refrigerator. Sale tax, that is 6%. It will added in the list price. So what will be the cost price? Cost of refrigerator. That is sale tax, amount of sale tax, sales tax, that is 6% of 14,650, that is 6 upon 100 into 14,650. 0 is cancelled by 0. Now 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10, 5 2 are 10, 5 9 are 55, 5 3 are 50. This is equal to 3 3 are 9, 3 9 are 27, 3 2 are 6 and 2 8. Now cost, that is list price plus tax, it is equal to 14,650 plus 879, that is 9 7 5 12 15 5 15,529. Okay, so we will add the tax in the, you can also find this by the formula of the SP. Here you will apply the gain formula. At the place of gain we will write the tax. Okay, Okay. Now we solve the question number 2. In the question number 2, Reena bought the following article from a general store. One time cost rupees 250 with sell tax 6%. Now calculate the total amount. Now list price, cost price of tie, that is 250 plus 6% of 250, that is 250 plus 6 upon 100 into 250, that is 10, 4, 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6, that is 250 plus 50, 265. Now medicine costing 625, medicine costing 625 with sell tax 4%. Now cost bill amount of medicine, that is 625 into 100 plus 4 upon 100, that is 625 plus 104 upon 100, that is equal to 3rd item, that is cosmetics. Cosmetics costing rupees 400, 430 with ST 10%. Now bill amount, that is 430 into 100 plus 10 upon 100, that will be equal to 43 into 11, 473. Again, cloth, cloths costing 1175 with ST 8%. Now bill amount, what is the bill amount? That is 1175 into 100 plus 8% upon 100, that is 1175 into 108 upon 100. Now 47 into 27, that is 1269. Now question is calculate the total amount to be paid. Now total amount to be paid by Rina, that is 265 plus 650 plus 473 plus 1269, which is equal to 2657. Okay. Okay. Now we will solve the next question. In the question number 3, Tommy bought a watch for rupees 1950 rupees 1980 including VAT that is 10%. Then what is the original price? In the case of SP and CP, you know that what is the original price is the CP and bought price is the SP and VAT as a gain. So we use that formula to find out the CP, that is original price is equal to original price that is equal to 100. Okay, in the question number 3, it is given as what price this VAT is 10%. Now what is the original price? In the case of the CP and SP, the bought price is as a SP and VAT is as a gain. Here VAT will be included, that will be added, gain is also added. So that is gain percent. Now we will apply the formula original price is equal to 100 into bought price upon 100 plus VAT percent. That is 100 into 1980 upon 100 plus 10, which is equal to 100 into 1980 upon 110. 0 is cancelled by 0. 11 1 11, 1800. So original price be 1800. Okay, you note it. In the question number 4, Mohit bought a t-shirt for rupees including VAT. Find the original price. That is same as the question number 3. Karna bought 10 kg of gold including VAT. What is the rate of the gold per 10 kg? That is also same. You will find the original price. Mohini purchased a computer rupees including VAT. What is the original price? That is also same as the question number 3. What is the original price? That is same, is 7 is also same. Now we will solve the question number 9, 10 and 11. In the question number 9, Rohit purchased a pair of shoes of rupees 882 inclusive of VAT. If the original cost sell price is equal to rupees 882. List price, that is rupees 840. Find the rate of VAT. Now rate of VAT. Now VAT, what will be the VAT? That is sell price minus list price, that is 882 minus 840, that is 42. Now rate of VAT is equal to VAT upon into 100, that is 42 upon 840 into 100. When it is 5%, it will be 5%. Okay, you note it. Okay student, question number 10 and 11, that is also as same. So your exercise 10, that is profit and loss, that will be completed. There are one more exercise, that is objective question. You will solve that. Now we come on the chapter 11, that is compound interest. Compound interest. When you have money borrow on the simple interest, then the interest is calculated uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period. When you borrow a money from someone, you will get the some extra money. You will get the some extra money to the borrower. So the money which we give the extra to the borrower, that is the interest. Okay. However, in the post office, bank, insurance, corporations, and other companies which lend money and accept deposit, the method of calculating interest quite different. So, what is the compound interest? What we call compound interest. Compound interest. What is the compound interest? Interest taken on the interest after a fixed time period is called compound interest. When anyone give you money, suppose you have got 100 rupees from your friend and you will give 10 rupees per month. After the 1 month, he will take the interest on the 110. He will take the interest on the 110. Here the fixed time period is the 1 month and your principal is 100. So after 1 month, he will take the interest on the 110, or you can say that after a fixed time period the amount will be, or after fixed time period the amount be as the principal for the second time period. After one time period, the amount be as the principal for the second time period. So, amount is equal to principal plus interest. For the first time period, the principal is given as, for the second time period, the interest will come in the first time period, that will be add in the principal, that will, the amount, it is equal to the principal for next time period. It is worked as the principal for the next time period. So, in the compound interest, interest taken on the interest after a fixed time period is called the compound interest, or after a fixed time period, the amount we add the principal for the second time period. So, amount of the first year, amount for first time period is, that is principal plus interest, that is the principal for the next time period. Okay. So with help of this after a certain specific period, the difference between the amount and the money borrowed is called the compound interest. Now, what is the compound interest? Compound interest, amount minus principal. What is the compound interest? Compound interest is amount minus principal. And fixed unit of time is known as the conversion period. Fixed unit time is called the conversion period. The fixed time period is called the time period. It is conversion period. Okay, you note it. In such case, where the interest is compounded yearly, the interest accrued during the first year is added to the principal, and the amount so often become the principal for the second year. The amount at the end of the second year become the principal for the third year. So in this case, the amount after the 1 year will be the principal for the second year, and the amount after the second year, that will be the principal for the third year, and amount of the third year will be the principal for the fourth year. That will be, and so on. How many fixed period, how many times are given that? What is the conversion period? What is the conversion period? That is depend on the conversion period. Okay, you note it. Here, one more thing is given in your book. that is compound interest when the interest is compounded half yearly. When interest is compounded half yearly, compounded in this case, if rate is equal to R% per annum, then for the half yearly rate is R upon 2% per half yearly and time 2 into year, and time, that is 2 into year. Okay, so you note it. So student, in today's class we have completed the exercise 10 and we also discussed lot of the chapter 11, that is compound interest. In your next class we will solve the exercise 11a. Okay, thank you, good day.